everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5. It's mid-May and I'm finally getting out in the garden at a decent time this year. I have tried to do this video like 4 or 5 times on my new camera and it's just not cooperating with me. So anyways, what I'm doing here, what I have done here over and over again is I am planting these cabbage plants. These are ball head Danish cabbages. I got these seeds from M.I. Gardener. They did really good. I did them as a winter sowing cabbage, which I will link my winter sowing videos up top. I have a big bunch of them, which will take you from start to almost finished. I have a couple more to add to it so that you guys can get the complete idea of what happens with it. But these were winter sown and just set outside in the winter. Anyways, these little guys are right here. What I've done is I have gently taken them apart, and I'm just gonna plop one in here. All right, not really plop it, but you gently want to take these guys apart. So it's like that, and I'm just gonna make a little hole in the ground. This isn't where I would put him because cabbages get really big, but for risk of having to make yet another video, I'm just going to set him right there, and I'm gonna give him a little bit of a watering, or it could be a her, right? And my water doesn't have anything in it. They just now are developing their true sets of leaves. The first leaves that come up, they are not the true leaves of the plant. They are the feeder leaves, and the plants do not need any type of food for them to grow at that point because they get it all from the seed itself. It's all there. It will bypass anything you put on it, so just leave it alone. But what I'll do is I'll come out later with some Super Thrive. Super Thrive is some really good stuff. If you guys want me to do a video on Super Thrive and its uses, indoor, outdoor, you know, what it does for the plants, give you guys a comparison, just let me know. I'll do a poll and you guys can tell me what you want to see. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my grass clippings and I'm going to put it around this guy to mulch him. You don't need to buy mulch. I know that buying, you know, $500 a year worth of mulch, and because it has a pretty color or whatever, is the thing to do. But mulch is full of chemicals. You don't know where it came from. Why do you think it's that pretty red color? Because the tree is naturally that red or naturally that black or all perfectly brown? No. I use grass clippings and I use leaf mulch in the fall. I have a mulching bag that I can suck them up with and it mulches them up. And I say me, but it's pretty much Alex, my son, that does most of the leaf raking and mulching and laying it out for me, which makes him a pretty good guy in my book. So this is going to be it on the cabbage. Once these cabbages have got going, I will put my tomato plants in here and the cabbages will come out and we will yum them all up. I will make some stuffed cabbages and stuff, and I had told you guys that I would share some of my recipes with you, which I will do in the fall. That way you can see it go from garden to table, even to canning, and see how that process works out too, which will be fun to do and will give us something to do and hang out with in the winter. You guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. It keeps me going. It keeps giving you guys some stuff. If you've got any questions, comments, concerns, please don't forget to put them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.